Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are deep within a legal battle that you have most likely seen plastered all over social media. Depp's $50 million defamation case against his ex-wife is taking center stage more than 5 years after their breakup. Depp's lawyers stated in opening statements released on April 12th that Heard harmed the actor's reputation by choosing to lie about him for her own selfish profit. This trial is almost unbelievable, and with all the hours of footage, there are bound to be some hilarious moments. Stay tuned for some of the funniest moments from the trial so far. Amber Heard apparently high on MDMA during their wedding. The first moment on our list isn't super funny, but it is quite shocking to say the least. During his testimony, Depp accused Heard of being high on MDMA, often known as ecstasy, on their wedding day in February 2015. Amber, a couple of my buddies, her entire gang was on MDMA at the time, the actor stated. When questioned if he had done any drugs or drank alcohol that day, Depp stated that he did neither. He did admit to smoking marijuana though. Witness puffing on a vape, making Depp laugh in court. The next hilarious moment comes from a very recent revelation within their trial. During his case against ex-wife Amber Heard, Johnny Depp got some light relief thanks to a highly animated testimony from his former doorman, which even surprised the judge. Just recently, the highly publicized defamation trial continued in Fairfax, Virginia, with Depp, 58, and Heard, 36, countersuing each other over a 2018 Washington Post piece. Heard outlined her experience with domestic abuse in the op-ed, and while he wasn't named, Depp's lawyers say that it shows she was physically and sexually abused by him. Alejandro Romero, a doorman at Depp's previous apartment building in Los Angeles, testified in a pre-recorded deposition during the most recent court session. Many in the courtroom, however, seemed amused throughout Romero's statement, which was taken when he was sitting in his car in January 2021. Heard, according to Romero, asked him to look into the possibility of an intruder based on scratches on their front door. The doorman, on the other hand, claimed that their dog was to blame, much to Depp's delight, as he was spotted chuckling in the courtroom as Romero's evidence was being aired. I know you guys sent me the papers to review, and I'll be honest, I didn't want to review them because it's been so long, the doorman said at one point, expressing his irritation with the matter. He went on to state that he was so stressed out and that he didn't want to deal with this anymore. Romero appeared to be puffing on a vape during his testimony, as he was spotted spewing smoke from his nostrils. He also started driving around in the automobile while still testifying in the taped deposition. Although he was being serious and talking about very serious topics, the vape cloud just couldn't be ignored, making for yet another hilarious moment within the ongoing case. Amber Heard left a poop in Depp's bed. Probably one of the most shocking and funny revelations to come from the trial is when Amber Heard took responsibility for the poop in her shared bed with Johnny Depp the night following an epic fight, calling it a cruel practical joke. In the trial between Heard and Depp, Starling Jenkins, a member of Depp's security team, testified about the feces. On April 21st, 2016, Jenkins testified regarding the events surrounding Heard's 30th birthday dinner. Depp was late to the party at the couple's shared Los Angeles penthouse apartment because he was having an in-depth conversation with his business manager about his unexpectedly disastrous financial situation, according to Depp himself. Heard allegedly berated and struck Depp after the dinner due to him being late. Depp then traveled to his Hollywood Hills home and left Heard in the apartment. A housekeeper discovered feces on Depp's side of the couple's shared bed the next morning, after Heard left for a prearranged trip to Coachella. My initial reaction to it was to laugh, Depp said earlier in court, explaining his reaction to viewing a photo of the poop. I could only laugh since it was so strange and hideous outside. Jenkins testified about traveling with Heard to Coachella. Jenkins grabbed Heard's baggage and 2 dogs before he, her sister, and a friend of hers left for the music festival. Jenkins stated that he afterwards had a conversation pertaining to the surprise she left in the boss's bed, which he referred to as the defecation. Although disgusting, you have to admit, this one was pretty funny. Depp's viral doodle in court. During the 9th day of his court battle with Amber Heard, video footage of Johnny Depp pretending to sketch an image before handing it to his attorney has gone viral. Depp, 58, was spotted attentively scribbling away on a piece of paper during the hearings in his ongoing defamation trial against ex-wife Heard. Depp's attorney, Benjamin Chu, was seen stealing peeks at what the actor was doing in footage that was published on TikTok. Depp then handed Chu a yellow sticky note with what appeared to be a sketch of a person's face on it. Chu was seen putting on his spectacles to check the piece of paper, as the camera zoomed in to obtain a sharper look of Depp's proposed purported work of art. Chu nodded at Depp, who grinned as the two briefly discussed the screen star's work before the attorney removed his spectacles and returned his attention to the trial proceedings. Since its release, the funny, random video has garnered over 3.1 million views. Amber Heard allegedly dated Elon Musk just months before defamation case. In a bizarre new revelation surrounding the trial, Heard's relationship with billionaire CEO Elon Musk has been brought into the mix. The couple's former talent agent testified in the $50 million defamation action that Amber Heard dated Elon Musk while seeking to reconcile with Depp. Heard had spent time with Musk, the Tesla vehicle and SpaceX aerospace company owner, while she sought to resuscitate her relationship with Depp in 2016, according to Christian Carino, an agent at Creative Artists Agency who represented both Depp and Heard at the trial in Virginia. The couple had separated 2 months before she lodged charges of domestic violence against Depp. Elon Musk has quickly become a talking point, as Depp previously accused Heard of cheating on him with the tech giant during their marriage. The Pirates of the Caribbean star reportedly accused Heard and Musk of having a threesome with Cara Delevingne in his Los Angeles home while he was overseas filming a movie in Australia, an allegation adamantly disputed by the billionaire. They claim they just started dating following Heard's divorce from Depp in 2017. I don't know if they were dating, but they had clearly spent time together, Carino stated, when asked if the two were dating as early as 2016. Heard and Musk met on the set of Machete Kills, a 2013 Robert Rodriguez thriller in which the former starred and the latter appeared in a cameo. While flames flared while cameras were rolling, Musk said the two were only friends until Heard's divorce from Depp was finalized, as was his own divorce with then-wife Tallulah Riley. To further discredit Heard, Elon Musk allegedly covered over half of Amber Heard's payment to a charity that works on gender-based violence issues, according to a witness in the ongoing Depp-Heard trial, despite the actress agreeing to pour money from her multi-million-dollar divorce settlement into the organization. Heard is an ACLU advocate for issues of gender-based violence, having allegedly given the organization $3.5 million in 2016. Heard said that she would donate half of her $7 million divorce settlement from Depp to the ACLU's work against violence against women, and the other $3.5 million to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. The court has heard that the Aquaman star actually only paid $1.3 million of the $3.5 million she claimed to have donated. Furthermore, information documented and aired in court claimed Heard only paid $350,000 out of pocket, with the other $1.3 million coming from Depp, who contributed $100,000 and who officials believe to be Musk. As you can see, Amber is a compulsive liar that just continues to make all of these claims that after a while seem to come back as false. So that begs the question, do you believe Heard is telling the full truth in the trial, or are you Team Depp? And there you have it, everything you need to know about Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard and the funniest moments from their ongoing defamation trial so far. If you've seen any of it online, then you know there are hours upon hours of footage you can binge. While some of it can be slow, this case is truly unbelievable, with crazy revelations surfacing every day. Make sure to let us know your thoughts down below. Who do you think is telling the truth? Are they both in the wrong? Let us know in the comments. But if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss any of our new and upcoming content. Thanks for watching.